blinking eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing well. Oh my god, you guys, I'm having the best hair day ever. This wig is amazing. Like, the quality is next level. Today's hair sponsor is Love Me Hair. We've done so many collaborations on my channel. I actually don't even know how many. It's really exciting to work with a company which you actually love. This is one of the best human hair wig companies that I know of that I've tried, and I've done hundreds of hair reviews, but they have amazing quality hair. Stick around for all the details. What I have installed today is a 24-inch silky straight 5x5 glueless highlight wig.
Then in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. For 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing.
If the glueless wig is too big when you put it on and you want to wear glueless, adjust this strap. You can see it's adjustable right here. So you just gotta adjust it. And you want it to where it feels pretty tight on, like snug. This is literally the easiest install. Oh wow, this hair is like butter, silky like butter.
I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do.
It's styled in a side part already. It's so silky that you might think it's fake, but it's not. It's human hair. It's best quality human hair you can find. Before we go, I have to style this in the middle part because baby is too cute. I'm going to style this wig now, middle part.
Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this. Ecstasy.
So I'm just trying to train the hair to lay this way now because it's been in the other direction.
Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between. Or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. Oh my God, what a time to be in love. Oh my God, if forever is not enough. Oh my time to be in love.
And this is what she looks like. Now I'm going to open up the part, so I'm going to go in with some powder. And go in, clean that up, and then I like to seal it. Silkiest hair I've felt in probably forever. When we had it on the side, you can only see the highlights on that one side, but when you split it down the middle, you have face framing like money piece, and I think it looks way more classy this way. This wig is bomb.com. You guys can see it's Silkiana. Like, go get you one. 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. It is such high quality. Like, this is the hair that the celebrities are wearing. Like, this type of virgin hair. You see this? You see this? You see that? You see that? Guys, I'm amazed by this quality. Oh my God. I just put it on and straightened it. That's all I did. Cut the lace, straighten it, and that is where we're at. It's beautiful. That's a nice natural luster. It's not too shiny. Like, I don't know where they got this hair from, but I want more. More. Sign me up. If you want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be down there as well. I love it. This is 10 out of 10. This is Caviar Kez approved. Let me know what you think about this wig in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.